So on this day we went on a little boat trip with my boyfriend's family because it was his dad's birthday, or actually the next day, but it was a surprise party, and it's not much of a surprise if it's on your birthday, I think. And this is actually the place where I will be working in the summer, or I'm actually already currently working. My boyfriend and his brother also work here, and as you can see, it's very beautiful here. So I'm really happy that I get to work here in the summer. I was a little bit scared to go on a boat. I don't know, I have this irrational fear of water, but it was actually quite nice. And we were very lucky because this day was one of the few days in like 2 weeks that it was not raining. Because, well, the majority of the days this summer looked something like this. Obviously, it wasn't just rain, we also had some sunny days. Here you can see me picking flowers. Our front yard always looks very wild and a bit overgrown. We always just throw some random flower seeds on there and then just let it grow, because our front yard is pretty big and it's just a lot of work to really maintain it, so we just do this. So yeah, I decided to pick some flowers, and this is how it eventually looked. Looks very cute, I think. And the reason we let everything grow just like this is it's just a lot better for nature, to let the flowers grow, for the butterflies and also for the bees and other insects. And I also think it just looks very nice having all of these flowers in your garden. People actually like stop by and take pictures of it, and like, you can do it in your own front yard as well. And now the long-awaited tour through my car that nobody actually asked for, but I'm gonna give it to you anyway. I'm very sorry that I have this very heavy Dutch accent in these clips. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Enjoy!
So this is my ride.
Rev it.
Yeah. Okay, let's go for a ride. Oh. Yes.
Oh shit.
Wat ben je?
Weet ik niet. It's all safe here. I think.
Is it though? With me in the car, you never know. Whoa. So, welcome to my ride. Woo!
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 It's a Hyundai Atos. When we go 120 kilometers an hour, it shakes like a milkshake. And it, yes, it's great. One door doesn't open, but you need only one door, right? Ah, the sun, very nice. Look, when the sun is too much, boom! Damn, so much specs. Instructions, but that's not safe because when you're driving you can't read. So we do this. Let's go to the right. Now we are entering the Netherlands. I live in Germany.
Sun is so pretty. Ooh. Watch out, bumpy road ahead.
Look, now the sun is like, what? And now do this. Wow. Now there's no sun in my eyes. So Dan, what do you think?
Well, it's an interesting ride. That's for sure.
Yes. Look at that Volkswagen. What an idiot! Doesn't look as cool as I do with my grey grandma car. But look at that, it's a
Mazda.
Mazda. Didn't even know the name, what a loser. So I'm an excellent driver because I've never had a fine, I've never had an accident, and I got my driver's license in one pass, one go, because I am amazing like that. And now we go to the roundabout. Whoa, look at me go.
What? What?
Supercar. So yeah, that was the tour in my car, and the tour through Germany and the Netherlands, the most important parts at least. like and subscribe. And share the video if you want. Leave a comment. Oh. So yeah, bye!
Please don't kill me.